Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. I hope you all are well. Now first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. So we have arrived to year 2020 and this year we'll be having a lot of new lessons, a lot of finger picking part and a lot of amazing content here at ukeguide. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it right now, because with your support I will keep on going and keep on bringing more and more content. So guys, today's lesson is a very popular one. The song is Liggi from Ritviz and आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया था that I should bring a detailed lesson on this song. So with no more ado, take out your uke, tune your uke in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. So guys, इस अमेजिंग सॉन्ग को प्ले करने के लिए आपको चाहिए 3 इजी कॉर्ड्स और वो कॉर्ड्स हैं कॉर्ड F, कॉर्ड C and chord B flat. Now if you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson. Else, let's first learn how to play these chords. So to play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string. And chord F should sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C should sound like this. To play chord B flat, you need to bar 1st fret with your index finger like this, and then you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string, and chord B flat should sound like this. So guys, now it's time for the strumming pattern, and believe me, in this song the strumming pattern is super easy and I'm sure most of you would be able to play this song without any difficulty. So the strumming pattern would look like this. Okay, so we have only downstrokes here, and to play this pattern you can either use your thumb or you can use your index finger, like what we learned in our earlier lessons. So let me now show you this strumming pattern with the help of a chord. So let's say we have chord F with us. So hold chord F and you start playing this pattern. Okay, very easy. Now you need to practice this strumming pattern on all other chords. So let's say you have chord C, so you practice this pattern like this. Okay, and then you have chord B flat, so you hold chord B flat and you practice this pattern. Alright, and once you get comfortable, you need to add all chords together. Okay, you have to move from one chord to the other without missing the beat, and this is a trickier part. Okay, so let me show you how the strumming pattern would sound when you use in the song. F, C, F, B flat, down, 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 down. Keep on practicing. Okay. Okay, so that's it. You just need to learn how to use this strumming pattern in right rhythm. And when you use this pattern in the song, it should sound like this. Okay, it's a little bit quicker. So once you're through with this strumming pattern, let's learn the intro part. And to play the intro part, I have customized it for the ukulele. So basically you have to start with second string, first fret. Okay, so you tap it 3 times. Then you tap the string in open position. Then you again tap the string on fret 1. And then you go to string 3 on second fret like this. And then you tap it 3 times. Okay, so when you play it together, it should sound like this. So I'm sure with a little practice you'll be able to achieve this pattern soon, and once you're through you can immediately jump into the song play part. So now let's play the song and understand each and every bit in detail. 1, 2, 3, go. हमरी सी परनीत आ जाओ ना तुम सही, कैसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परी हुई गलती, सॉरी हमने गाया क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थी, अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा। देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं, कभी न कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं, हम तो आस पास सांस थमे और रात साथ बात करें क्यों ना, कर लो ना, अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा सबको ले जाए जा। So guys, that's it for now. I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to me and I will be bringing more lessons for you in future. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.